Hello, 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 chats. Hello. Can we hear me well? Hello. Test, 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 tests, tests. Can we hear me well? I got a new mic now. And for this special occasion, I wanted to babble around with some GPU stuff, some Vulkan stuff, and do some GPU video decoding. I asked on my Discord what language I should use, and they decided on Odin. The choice was either Jai, Odin, C, or Zig, and they ended up choosing with Odin. So let's get it started. There you go. So I haven't run any Odin in like a few months, so it's gonna be interesting, but we'll see. But we'll just push the main setup first. For the videos we're gonna use, I downloaded a few videos of the internet. The goal is to be able to play the video and the sound. So I use this video, right? So we have this video to test, which is in 16:9, 1920 by 80, 1080. And then I also took something with different aspect resolution. I took the Evangelion opening. But otherwise we should be good. So both in MP4, right? So we can get this shit started. Also, hi Jumpy, hello. Alright. So, how do you open a window in Odin? Vendor SDL2, I assume. Oh yeah, right, it's like this. I think, yeah. Init. I'll do audio. Like this. Gaming. I'll also make a run scripts. Okay, let's make a window. Window. I'll just make it, yeah. In a way that's X and Y. And flags, we'll just do stl window flag. I mean, not much, right? I guess window Vulkan. Defer SDL dot destroy window. Also, don't even need the semicolons anymore. Right. There was a while, right? Yeah, there was only 4. Poll events, if events dot type equals stl dot quits, no, events quits. Wait. What is it again? event type dot quit running equals false. Right. Yay, window. Cool. Alright, so we have our window. Let's do some Vulkan initialization. I don't know how it's gonna go, but we'll see. We'll just make a new file. We'll call it Vulkan, like, I guess gpu.odin. I think we got the window world records. Like, this only took like 5 minutes, tops. Okay. We'll do a struct GPU states. Do import vendor SDL2 as SDL and import vendor Vulkan. Is this how you program Odin? I kind of forgot the syntax, but I hope I get the hang of it pretty quickly. I mean, I've written some Odin before, but like it's been a few months. We'll see. Oh, I should probably make a ping in the Odin server. True. Do I even have one? Announce. Where's my programming servers? There you go. Odin. How is there like a promotion channel where I can be like, oh, I'm streaming, I'm making something on Twitch? If I search up Twitch. Can you not advertise yourself in this server? Randomer, oh, randomer. Making a GPU accelerated video decoder in Odin. There you go. Okay, so how do we do Vulkan again? Vulkan tutorial. I forgot how to do Vulkan. Setup. Base code. Instance. Okay. App info. Application info. Also, we'll just do return true. Engine name, we'll call it Xonder engine. App name, API version vktool, API version 1.3, app info, app version, make version major 1.0.0, engine version make version 1.0.0, application name GPU video. Am I forgetting anything? Nope. Oh yeah. Structure type. Do I even need to fill this in? The fact I can do that is amazing. I guess I don't need to fill that in. Unless... Vulkan... Hello world Odin. Oh, right. App info dot s typos dot application info, like this. How do I even write Odin, man? Hard language for real. create instance. Can I do something like... Please tell me I can do that. That would be so cool. Something like this. Oh, I can. Ooh, I like this language already. And if I can build it, like, hold on. Let me just... Wait, so it's already in the package, right? So I can just do GP... Yeah, okay. Build. Does that work? No. Wait, invalid field name. Pardon? It's right here. So I guess it doesn't work, huh? Structure literal. But I can do that, I guess. That kind of sucks, but it's okay. Odin language. Docs. Overview, structures. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Literal. Okay, so that kebab pick you took in Breda? Dudes, listen, that kebab was fucking out of this world. It was so good. I don't know how you guys did it, but like, oh my god, it was so good. Invalid field name, so I guess I... Wah, wah. Bing, fuck you, Bing. Yeah, so he does it like that. Okay. Uni starts on Tuesday? Dude, you got this. Trust me. I think the one I went to is called Donnerland. But god, it was so good. 8 euros and the thing fills you up crazy. Pause. Okay, no, that sounded weird, but yeah. It tastes good, is what I meant. Application info is app info. Enabled extension Vulkan. Get instance extensions, yeah. I have to make an array. Great. Make it so that it takes a window as well. Yeah. I mean, next to Boas, it's like... Is it really that next to Boas? It's near the Foodlands, in the food hall. That's where I got this. But then I can do... C string. How do I make an array in this language? Odin language. Yeah, there might be, because the one I went to is near the food hall. You know how when we got our first donor, it was like during the carnival. Well, there's another one. It was like next right to it, and that's a donor round. But yeah, there's one near the food hall. That's where I got mine from, and it was really good, really good. Docs overview array dynamic. Okay. Is it really dynamic though? It's just this, right? For this, I guess. Can I do this? That'd be cool. Extensions like this, right? Then I can do for extension in extensions. Hello. Yeah, there is two, yeah. Extension. Okay, it doesn't like this, apparently. So I do have to just do that, right? I guess I just do that. Let's just count this. Cannot iterate. Can I do this? For loops. Basic for, oh, there you go. 0, I above count, I plus plus, is plus equals 1, right? Then I can do extensions I. Do it what? Oh, it needs to be a U32, okay. I'm actually going to kill myself, right? Like what? Is there a way to autocast? Autocast. Nil. Okay, great. Yay. Yeah, I'm using Vulkan. Just I mean, the chat voted for it, so you know I'm using Vulkan now. So okay, it doesn't like this apparently. Nil. Great. That's okay, Odin Vulkan hello world SDL. Okay, there you go. Wow, well, that's useful. And metal. I don't care about metal. For I in 0. Huh, interesting. I'm still gonna crash because I'm probably not doing it properly, but you know. I should probably be doing this, that's the thing. Then I do this. I don't. How does this API work? Should I just use glfw? Surely. like how do I get the extensions? Because I don't, because it's asking for this array, but I'm not sure. You can see examples. The thing is, I know how it works in C, but I just don't know like the array types in Odin. Like what is this evil looking thing? Is it, should I make it dynamic? I don't know. Because in C you would do something like, you know, like have counts, you do your get thingies, counts, null, and then car stuff equal malloc, counts, you do get thingies, counts, stuff. Then you can get your you can iterate in that way using counts. And here I just don't know what's the you get the idea. Is the closest to being a C array. Right, so should I like malloc this? Raw data. Multi-pointers. Okay, how do I... So I need to allocate it, I assume. Oh yeah, probably, okay. Make it... This size counts. Make it C-string. Then I do raw data extensions, I guess. Expected string, dynamic array. Must be a constant integer, okay. So we'll do dynamic, I guess. I don't fucking know, dude. Index 0 is out of range. I don't know, man. How do you do that? Because how do you do it with glfw? Odin hello world glfw with Vulkan. Oh, you just do that. Okay, well that's easy. Does Vulkan do the allocations? No, you have to allocate it yourself so you can fill the array. Okay, you do. Okay, I got it, guys. I got it. You do make C string, I guess. Counts. Do it like this. Aha! And now I have it. Is that not how you format stuff? Is it like this? Let me check. Prints. Oh, it's printf. Do this. Yoink. There you go. Cool. So it works. And since I'm leaking memory, I should also do defer. Is it delete? Delete extensions like this? Probably. Delete. Yeah, okay. Can do builds, run, and now I'm probably not leaking anything. Cool. I heard there was like a way to track your memory allocations. I should probably do that. We'll make something called app.odin package main run app. imports core mem. You can do like tracker mem.tracking allocator. Yeah, you need, wait. Mem.tracking allocator. Let me check it out actually. Packages. What's base? Oh yeah, right. Core mem. There's a TLSF implementation? That's so cool. That is so cool. Oh, I fuck with that heavy. Okay. Tracking allocator. Mem.tracking allocator init tracker defer mem.tracking allocator destroy. Do something like context.allocator equals tracker, right? Yeah. Then you can do run app or something. Not in selector. How do I set the default allocators, right? How do I do that? Allocator. Procedure, data. Because I had something to do that, right? In Dungeon Man, I think, when I wrote it in Odin. No, it was Untitled Horror Game, I'm dumb. That I wrote it in Odin first. Main, there you. This. I could just do this. Defer. I also did logging. Damn. Then I do this. Bat free. Oh yeah, because they called it tracker. Wait, what am I doing? Pardon? The context.allocator equals mem.tracking allocator tracker. Yeah, like this. Like that, and here, no leaks. And now, for instance, if I remove this, right? You should be like, oh wait, what? Huh. But this is an allocation. Pardon? Weird. So does that not count as an allocation then? Because here, I am not deleting it anymore. So it's supposed to say that I'm leaking something, right? Unless I'm missing something. I might be, honestly. I might be. Oh yeah, I didn't initialize the logger, I'm so dumb. I'll just do it like I'm doing here, because honestly I trust my old codes. I'll call it just log. Then I do this, after that. Okay, let's try again. Yeah, and I also need to import OS. Import core formats. So here it's gonna be like, oh, yeah, there you go. Here I leaked something, so now if I free it, now we're good. Cool. Okay, so now we have these. We can do something like instance info dot enabled extension count equals counts. Enabled extension names equals extensions, raw data extensions, instance info. Enabled layer counts will do 1, instance info dot enabled layer names. We'll make an array extensions, no, we'll call it just layers. Layers C string equals vk dot layer. I have to Chronos validation layer. What is it called again? We'll just look up in Vulkan tutorial. Sick feature? Yeah, honestly, Odin kind of rocks. I'm not gonna lie. Also, thank you for the follow. Where are the layers? Validation layers. Okay, which one is it again? This. Yum. Okay. Layers. Like this. Anything else? Flags. Nope. No flags. Yeah, that seems good. So here we can do error equals vk.create instance. We should call it a result. Instance info nil states.instance if result is different than vk success dot success. Yeah. We'll import log. Log.error f failed to create Vulkan instance. Right, and then we'll also do a GPU state free. And we do vk destroy the instance nil, like this. Defer GPU states free. Let's try again. Crash, yay. Why though? Wait, what? So I need to allocate that myself, I assume. Ah, great. Fine. Okay, no, it doesn't. Probably because I should allocate this, right? Layers when passing it. Oh shit. This? I think. Turns out you are wrong. I think it's because it wants this to be... No, what am I saying? I have no idea. But this crashes, that's for sure. Where's the colors all of a sudden? Where's colors? There's no colors anymore. Why is there no colors? Why? It's fine, we can probably figure it out. Odin, Vulkan, hello world. We'll try again. Layers. Oh. Like this? Wow, that's interesting. Okay, so instance. There you go. When Odin debug, so I can do that, that's cool. When Odin debug. And I can just do that. Oh. PP enabled names, and I do layers 0. Let's just assume it is, right? Oh, right. Okay, that makes sense. So I guess I don't need this, right? But it still crashes. What did I do to deserve this? Alright, debugger time. Let's debug this shit. Commands. And in build, I'll add the debug flag. Autocast, save me. Wake me up. Okay. Huh. So it does not like that. I'm assuming it's because... It has to be because of that, right? It's because if I remove it, it's probably gonna work. Unless... No, it's still a crusher, so it's not that. Never mind, it's not that. Did I forget to initialize something? Like, does it have to load? Oh, wait, hold on. Where is main? Init window. Init Vulkan. I knew it. I knew it. Suck my dick. I knew it. Fuck. Fuck. Vulkan. Yeah. There you go. Fuck. I knew it. Okay. Why does it do it twice? I hate it. And now it works. No, it doesn't work. Huh? And who is DMing me? Let me mute my Discord. Hold on real quick. There you go. Oh, I should probably change the objective as well. Creating a device. Okay, so let's try again. Can I do like autocasts? Autocast my best friends. Okay, no, you can't autocast. Shit. Oh god, what is this monstrosity? Huh, I'm not sure that's right. Oh, loads library, wait, what? Oh. Path, I guess I'll just do Vulkan 1.dll. I don't know, dude. I have no idea. Loads proc addresses. Gets proc address. This is making me want to use glfw, I can't lie. Because I have no idea what I'm doing right now. Because this takes... Wait, what? Oh, can I just do vk.get instance like this? No. Load proc addresses. Dude, I am so confused. What do you mean? That is what I'm doing though. Wait, did I have to give them to all of these? No. Dude. Get proc address global. So this is the SDL dot get Vulkan like this, right? And then I do this, then it gets device, and then it's device vtable gets device. I don't this, I guess. No, probably not. Nil. And I'll just make it nil as well. Does this work now? Still no, dude. I have no idea what is going on. What am I supposed to do here? I'm supposed to load it, right? But I don't know how. Wait, what? Oh, thank you, Carlos, for this for the follow. I appreciate it. Raw pointer. Okay. So it is load proc addresses. Raw pointer. SDL dots get it's Vulkan like this. Now it still crashes, but I guess it crashes. No, it crashes the same honestly. But why though? Okay, no, it's because I have an error. Well, it's better, you know, it's better. Probably because of this. Let me remove this. Still crashes. No errors though. I probably just forgot something, it's fine. Nil instance. Because it doesn't like this. But this makes sense though, so this is probably not incorrect. Maybe I should do this before, though you know. Probably not. So application info, application name, version name, engine name and version, and API version. Because that's not gonna be it. No, it's not this. Because my driver supports points free. Instance info. I have the application info. I have the extension count. I have the extension names. But I guess he just... Maybe it doesn't like this at all, as well. It just crashes, okay, so it really just hates me for some reason. But it's Vulkan that crashes, so you know, it's even worse news. Let's see where it crashes, though. Well, I don't have the debug symbols for Vulkan, so you know, that's even better news. Lookup. Access violation. Maybe it just doesn't like this, honestly. Dude, this is making me want to use JLFW at this point, because I have no idea what's going on. You know what? Like, it's probably better at this point. Hello. We're opening a window again. Okay, while let's for job view, window should close, poll events, like this. Oh yeah. What a GPU video decoder means. Okay, so your average video format, so MP4, .mov, etc., compresses and encodes the frames of the video to packets, so the size is smaller, right? Instead of encoding each frame one by one, because that would be really expensive. And so to decode them, there's this thing called FFmpeg, which is a cross-platform media library for decoding different video formats. But the thing is, that runs on the CPU, and the CPU, as we know, is kind of slow. Thankfully, modern APIs and GPU capabilities have enabled us to decode and encode a video on the GPU. So there's this thing called Vulkan Video, which, new video processing API, compression and decompression to the Vulkan Open Standard GPU API. Yeah. So basically it allows you to just pass in a frame of a video into the GPU and it'll decode it really fast. So yeah, it's pretty cool. So what I want to do is just a simple video player so I can play videos using my GPU. That's it. Pretty much. That is my objective. We don't need this anymore. There you go. Now it initializes Vulkan properly. Goods. Yay! We have Vulkan. Okay, one thing that pisses me off though. What is this? Hook app finds game window. Jesus Christ! I almost pushed my mic off. Whoops. Are we good? Sorry for the scare. My mic is okay. Jesus. Okay, yeah, I don't want this. How? That is so cringe. Why is it doing this? Closing your clipping software, absolutely cringe. It's because of OBS. Cringe as fuck. Oh well, at least it works. I can't complain, honestly. Okay. There you go. Nice. So we have an instance. Now we need to make a we need to pick a GPU and then make a device, and then we'll be good to roll. So this is create instance, and then we'll create and we'll find suitable GPU. We could probably like split them into functions, honestly. Nah, I'm good. You know what, I'm good. It's instance extensions instead. Okay, find suitable GPU. GPU counts 0 vk dots gets It enumerates physical devices, I think. Physical devices. What is it again? I don't care about this. Enumerate physical devices. States.instance. GPU counts. This is a U32. Nil. We'll make an array. For that, we'll do Could this also be the case for decoding? I honestly have no clue. However, I heard that decoding was really good quality in general for AV1. I don't know for other codecs or in general. I haven't done much research on video, but I don't see why GPU would have less quality. I need to figure it out, honestly. I'm probably gonna do two backends, one for FFmpeg and one for Vulkan, and see the difference. But I don't know. I'm fairly new to this myself. Physical devices. Make physical device. GPU counts. And I can do this. Alright, now we need to fetch to see if it has video supports. So we'll do extension counts u42 equals 0. Okay, video extension. What's the name again? Vulkan video extension. I see. I think the videos I downloaded though are probably encoded using... Wait, do I even have FFmpeg on this computer? FFmpeg, no I don't. FFmpeg Windows... Downloads... Yes, open... This is a source code, all the binaries, Windows, there you go. Okay, cool. Choco installed FFmpeg. I need to do this in admin. Alright, and once we have that, we'll be able to refresh and then be able to query the codec of the videos I downloaded. Alright, refresh, and here I should have FFmpeg. Yep, I do. Cool. So, copy that. We'll do Evangelion.mp4. It's FF probe, right? I just didn't copy it all the way. Yeah. It's Evangelion.mp4. Okay, H264. And what about HoneyPie? H264. Okay. Cool. How am I liking Odin so far? It's okay. It's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. I've used it before, right? I'm not like a complete stranger to Odin, but last time I used it, I dropped it because of the lack of libraries to or at least there wasn't many binding libraries for the things I wanted to use. When I used it, there wasn't any jolt bindings, no recast bindings. There was like not much to do, so I switched to C++. But for smaller projects, I think Odin is probably a good language. So that's why I'm using it today. It seems pretty silly. Okay, so vk dots get physical device extensions. Enumerates physical. How do I get the extensions of the physical device? Oh wait, I don't even need to do that because there's already vk.qtype or qflagged, I guess. That should have video decode and encodes. Yeah, there you go. Okay, cool. So, we're going to do q family count equals 0. Q family properties device q family counts nil. Also, this should be deletes physical devices. Also, how's my mic? Because I'm using a new one, but I don't know how good it is. Is it crisp? Is it nice? I hope it's good. Okay, families, it's going to be make vk.q properties. Yeah, q family counts. Raw, where's it? Raw data. Yeah, of families. Crisp, cool. Hell yeah. Do for q for family in families. We'll do has graphics false, has video false, if has graphics and has video, you select the device, you get a physical device, select the device equals device, break. If dot graphics in family q flags has video equals true. That's has graphics. Has video equals true. Q family counts. Huh. Crashes. But yeah, this should also be the deletes families. Crashes. Great. We love crashing. ¿Por qué? Oh yeah, right, because the function doesn't exist, I need to load it again. By doing this again. I think. No, it's not this. What do I need to do again? Oh yeah, load proc addresses instance. And here it's instance. I just take an instance. States.instance. There you go. Okay, now we have this. What we can do is something along the line of, yeah, we'll just call this GPU dk.physicalDevice. We'll do states.gpu. Okay, now we can do vk. What's it called again? It's not properties. How to get a GPU name? VK physical device. I think it's properties actually. Yeah, it is properties. Props vk.physicalDevice properties. vk.getPhysicalDevice properties. States.gpu props, and we can do log.infof using GPU s, and it's going to be props.device name. Expected to come, I got a new line. 16. What did I do? Oh yeah. Right. Whoops. Using GPU NVIDIA there you go. So it's picking up the right GPU, which is good. Do I have decode as well? That'd be cool. Decode. It has decode and has encode. Well, I guess we don't really need encode for now. Okay, so we have our GPU now. Here's the device features. Not device features. Is there a video somewhere? What is in that? Multi-view ports, yeah, that's cool. Sample rate shading. Sparse, yeah, no sparse. No sparse. Okay. Thank you, Serpentine Studios, for the follow. I appreciate it. Lots of things, goddamn. Okay, so now we have this. We need to create a device, but we also need to get the queues. So note army get queues. We'll do graphics family. Let's just do U32. Video family EU42 as well. And then we do graphics queue vk.queue, video queue vk.queue, and we'll do device vk.device. Okay, so we're going to do this again. I think there's something to check for like the difference. Yeah, Vulkan SDK. Bin. Yeah, Vulkan info SDK, there you go. You can check your queues. That's probably not the device I want though. Layers, I don't care. I want for my GPU. Layer OBS hook, yeah. Okay, where's my extensions though? Surface capabilities. Where are my queues? Where are my queues? GPU IT5. That's a shit ton of GPUs, bro. There you go. Okay, that's what I want. Limits. Okay, what about video though? Maybe I did miss it. Wait, so I'm looking for the queues, right? The queues. Instance. Layers. I don't care about the layers. We can get surfaces. Present modes. Wait, did I miss one? Yeah, I did miss one. Okay, surfaces. Do I not get to see the queues here? I guess I don't. Device properties and extensions. Device extensions. Okay, so I do have the video H264, which is good. I even have AV1 for decoding, which is cool. Okay, now about the queues. Okay, so I have two queues, right? Yeah. So I have one for graphics, and one for decodes, and one for encodes. Optical flow bit, what the fuck is that? That's making me curious. What's optical flow? What in the hell is optical flow? What's an optical flow? Okay, you know what? Should I even take a look into it? But like, it's kind of funny. I've never heard of this before. Optical flow session. What the fuck is an optical flow session? Okay, VGate and optical flow. Oh, CV. Okay. Oh. Yeah, so many things to it. Honestly. Okay, so we can be sure we're gonna have at least 2 different queues. So okay, we're good. Okay, so what we're gonna do is instead of doing this, we're gonna do for I in 0 q family counts, and we'll do family equals families I, like this. We'll do GPU no states dot graphics family equals I. We'll do video family equals I. Do log found graphics ads and video ads state dot graphics family state dot video family. Bruh. Yeah, I don't need this anymore, right? I forgot. I forgot. Okay. Zero and free. Okay, we're good. We found it. Between 2 frames sounds like interframes delta computing. Yeah, apparently it's for computer vision. Okay, now we create device. And after we create a device, we should be good to go, honestly. We just need to set up, you know, allocations, textures, rendering. Like we'll render just a simple quad with a texture on it, so we can consider ourselves goods. Okay, so create device. We'll call it let's do device info vk.device create info. Okay, so enabled features. Do features vk.physical device features. This will be just features. Now, what features do we want to have? Film non-solid could be funny, but no. I don't think we're gonna need much, honestly. Yeah, no, we don't need much. This will just be empty. Now for the features, I mean the extensions, device extensions. I'm gonna have vk.swapchain extension name, video queue extension name, video decode extension name, and fuck it, we'll also do h265. So we have everything. There's no AV1 in this spec though. I don't think so, at least. AV1. Yeah, Odin doesn't have the AV1 thing. We'll just stick to H264 for one. P enabled and extension names, raw data, device extensions, device info dots enabled, or at least enabled extension counts equals len of device extensions, autocasts. Yeah, and this should like, yeah, cool. And so we have this. Now we need to create the queues. Graphics queue info. vk.queue. Device create info. Queue family index equals states dot graphics family. q count 1, q priorities, like this. Yeah, I guess. That should be it, honestly. Then we do the same for video. Video family. Device info dots count equals 2, and we'll do q infos device q create info, and it's going to contain graphics q info and video q info. Like this. Alright. Results equals vk.createDevice states.gpu states.device nil. Wait, no, what am I doing? This is device info, and this should be states.device. If results is not equal to success, log.error failed to create GPU. I honestly haven't been following what's happening in Odin much. Showcase. they should really update this page, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, there we go. Solar Storm. Yeah, this is Jakob Tomsu. I saw his stuff, it was pretty cool. Cut an Onion, I also saw it was pretty cool. Spell, to duel, yeah. And Embergen, of course. Of course, Embergen. I meant on Twitter. I mean, I'm not on Twitter anymore. So I couldn't tell. What's going on Twitter? Am I getting pings or not? Yeah, no. I'm losing followers as well. Because I moved to Blue Sky. I'm getting so many fucking pings on my other accounts. Like, what the fuck is this? Like, why is it spamming me with recommendations? What is wrong with this fucking social media? How do I turn these off? Like, hello? Like, bro. I use Blue Sky now. An editor or something. Oh. Interesting. I use Blue Sky now. Way better. I love Blue Sky. Alright, so. Whereas log.info created device successfully. I think that's how you write. I think that's how you write successfully. Oh yeah, this should be raw or raw data, I guess. Priority. Oh, this defaults to F64. Come on. Oh. Oh yeah. Right. Obviously. Okay, now it created a device. Am I doing functional programming? No. I just like the Lambda because I like Half-Life. Though I have written my fair share of Haskell. Not that I liked it, but I wrote some Haskell in life. Yeah, honestly, I didn't say it on Twitter because it would be kind of controversial and I would lose friends. But the reason why I left Twitter is because I fucking hate Elon Musk. I really hate him. I really don't like Elon Musk, and I don't like what he's doing. I don't like how what he's doing with Twitter. I fucking hate the fact that like he made an America account to promote his like alt-right ideologies. I don't like that. I think it's bullshit. Like, you just don't do that. I don't condone that, so I moved to Blue Sky. But otherwise, you know, I guess, I don't know. And also the algorithm was just filled with politics, even when I didn't want it, you know? Okay. Is there VMA bindings or not? Imports. Vendor VMA. Is there Vulkan? Vulkan. Is there a VMA in Vulkan? That would be cool. VMA Odin. Okay, no, so there's no VMA bindings. But I guess I don't really need to. That I don't really need to. Oh, I just don't need to put the dots. Oh, that's cool. Okay, so I can. Oh, wait, hold on, because this should be big. This could be really cool. I can just do this and put a comma. Please work. That's so cool. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, sir. I'll take it. I won't just make this the default. I don't care. TikTok with random things all over the place? Yeah. Yeah, honestly, yeah. Like, if you go on my Twitter feed, it's gonna be, like, super messy. But I don't know, it's just that, in general, the people on this website are not, you know... They don't really align with the kind of friends I want to make, if that makes sense. And I don't want to block them, because I'm not... I don't like blocking. Anyway. Back to where we were. This looks way cleaner though. I like this. Yoink, 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 yoink. Alright. So now this should still work. Wait, what did I do? Wait, what's the error now? Oh yeah, oops. Boom. No, we're still good to go. How's Blue Sky? Do you think it's worth to build an audience on there? I mean, the thing is, the interaction is way higher on Blue Sky in my opinion. Like, I couldn't tweet anything and I'll still get some comments. I don't know, it just feels more chill, you know? This is wholesome. Lucy! Lucy! We love Lucy here. Lucy, my goats. Anyway. So... yeah. Exactly. Yeah, it's cozy. That's the right word, it's cozy. Oh fuck, I forgot to get the cues. vk.device get q. Get q? You just get q. get device queue, and also need to vk.load proc addresses device states.device. Okay, get device queue, states.device, states.graphics family, queue index 0, states.graphics queue. We'll do the same for the video queue. I can tell this is gonna be a mess to synchronize, but you know, we live and learn. I mean, for the synchronization, what I was thinking, it could be great if the background could be just... Actually, no, I have an idea. Change default paint backgrounds color. I want to be like Pirate Software. Let's resize. I don't care about resize. I'll just take the buckets and do this. So what I was thinking, so imagine we have our frame here. What I was thinking, and something along the lines of, so we start by decode, you decode the frame, you wait before that, hold on, you wait the graphics queue to wait for the earlier presents, then you do your decode operations with a signal then you wait on the decode queue, then you do all the rendering, so render frame and also your signal, right? Or I think it's the swaption the signals anyway. Render frame, then you present, and that present also does a signal on GFX. Something along those lines, right? And I guess we could also do something for audio. Like, with the weight decodes, we could do something like... How do I do the... and percents? How do I... We call it, in French we call it an commercial. Okay, it's like this. And I get to get decodes audio, right? And when we have that, we wait on decodes and we wait on audio. So we wait so that we decode the frame and play the frame. Or I guess we could play the audio frame when we render the frame. But that's my idea, right? For the synchronization. Subject to change, but I think it's a good idea. We'll figure it out, I think. We'll figure it out. Okay, so objective time. Let's try and maybe get a clear screen. Oh, by the way, I should probably please tell me. Please let me have dynamic rendering, please. Yes, you do. Fuck yeah. Okay, nice. Good to know. And in 1.3 it's in core, so I don't even think I need to add it. If I could do vk.begin dynamic begin rendering. Yeah, there you go. I don't even need anything. Perfect. Cool. Okay. So we have our cues, our devices. I guess, yeah, get a clear screen working would be pretty cool. But first of all, let me just check my notifications and drink some water. Okay. So what do we need again for whoa. Shit, what the fuck happened here? What the fuck is this? Interesting. I guess it didn't find the Terminator. That's funny. Anyway. So let's commit that first, I guess. Git commits added create device git push. So again, we want to be able. We can start with creating a swaption, I guess. That's what they do right after, right? Vulkan tutorial. Presentation. Ooh, surface, right, the surface. Okay, so notes create surface, and can just do create Vulkan, I think. Wait, how do I even do this? GLW Vulkan Odin surface. Where do you create it? There you go. I mean, that's kind of cringe, but sure, I guess. Oh wait, I can just do that. Like this. And this should be log.error f. Charge! Yeah. How do I even fix that? Because it's printing the max size, okay, but like you're not supposed to do that. You're supposed to wait for the null terminator, bro. Like, hello? Interesting. Failed to create window surface. Now that's interesting. Failed to create window surface. Now that is something I haven't heard in a while. Okay, why? Create window. Window. Init window. Oh, no API. Okay. Now this should work. Yeah. Cool. So now we can do log.infof created window surface and vk.destroy surface khr state.instance state.surface and nil. You can create a swap chain, which should also be pretty easy. Choose surface format, choose present mode, choose swap extents. Dude, I'm not gonna bother, honestly. Note I may create swap chain. I'll make something easy and nice. Swap chain vk.swap chain khr. So see, I think what we should do, I mean, we should just put it in RGBA8, right? And then I guess we can like gamma correct it if needed. We'll see, because I'll have to see like what's the color space. I don't know, dude. I am so new to this. Also, thank you, Rokazi, for the follow. Okay, create swap chain. We'll do swap chain info vk.swap chain info s type equals. Yeah, I guess I'll just do it that way first. S type equals dot swap chain create info swap chain info dots image color space equals dots. What is my color space? Good question. I have no clue. I mean, I don't need to set it, do I? I don't think I need to set it. Yeah, right, I don't need to. Oh, I do need to. Fuck. Well, shits. Choose surface formats. Okay, I'll guess I'll do it. It's fine. Choose surface formats. Okay, so he doesn't even care. Okay, cool. Swap chain info dot color space equals dots sRGB nonlinear swap chain info dots formats equals dots sRGB. Bam bam bam. Wow wow. Wow wow. Wow wow. States.surface swap chain info.extents.width equals get frame buffer size. Window. I can even choose here. That's cool. Video decodes destination. I mean, I guess I don't really need that, do I? Yeah. Good enough. Because it had the image format, color space, yeah. Image sharing mode exclusive. Yeah. Pre-transform. What the fuck is pre-transform? Do I need that? Okay, we'll see. Copy that. Thank you. Current transform. Do I even need this? Capabilities. What the fuck is capabilities? Capabilities. Where did he even get that? Swap chain details. Uh-huh. Must have pre-transform. Service transform flags. And what is that? Identity, yeah, just identity. Equals dot identity. Makes more sense. Also remove this. Not needed. Swap chain dot presents modes. Presents modes is dots. Wait, so what's the vsync presents mode Vulkan? Okay, so mailbox is no vsync and FIFO is vsync. I think I get it. Cool. Okay. And here I just do, this should just be yoink, 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 yoink. Oh shit. Now we do if, and just results equals vk.create swap chain state.device swap chain info nil state.swap chain if result is different or equals to success log.error failed to create swap chain, or else we'll just do created swap chain. Huh? Pre-transform. But this is right, so I don't know why. Huh? I guess 0. Just make it 0. Dude, what? Autocast 0. Dude, I'm so confused. Widths. Oh, right, dude, I'm dumb. And now it just doesn't like this for some reason. Whoa. So pre-transform is this, surface transform flags KHR. Oh. Right, I'm dumb. Like this. Run. Okay, error, why? Oh yeah, I forgot the image counts. Image. Why is it again that I do it? Min image count, we'll set it to 3. Now it should be good. Yep. Nice. Okay, so we got the swap chain. We're getting there. We're getting there. Okay, so swap chain, what do we do after swap chain? Image views. Right, because he gets the array of images first. Image views, then he creates the pipeline, but we don't care about the pipeline yet. Render pass, yep. Frame, we don't use render passes anyway. We're going to use the dynamic rendering, because it's better. Way better. Command buffers. I see. Interesting. Makes sense. Okay, so let's get the image array. So this is images. What is images? VK image. Okay, so we'll do images vk.image and image views vk.image view. And we'll probably do a wrapper for it at some point, so we can make it cleaner. But so far this is good enough. Or we do to create a swap chain. Right, so yoink. So image counts, we'll set it so frames in flight, we'll make it 3. I think 3 is what I use for everything. Oh wait, no, what am I doing? Silly me. Like this. Okay, now we just do delete state.images, and I don't think we need to destroy them manually. Thankfully. Expected, oh, right. Here are no issues, yep, all good. Okay, so get swap chain images, and we'll do get swap chain create swap chain image views. We'll just yoink this as well. Len states.images. And this is state.views. Yoink. Thank you, sir. Not gonna lie, so far this language is really clean. I can't lie, this is really, really clean. I like this a lot. Also, let's just remove every comma ever. Die. I do not want any commas. So what the fuck is D2? Oh, dimension. Odin, my beloved. I know, right? We love Odin here. What is view info? Res equals the result equals vk.create image view state.device view info nil state.image views I. Do log Diablo 2. Oh. Oh right. Fails to create image view. And here we'll do something similar. So for image in states.image views, we should probably just call it view. We'll do vk.destroy image view states.device view nil. What? Oh, right. Silly me again. What again? Oh. Formats, this should be create swap chain info.formats. What is it again? What did I call it? Image formats. Alright, cool. Leaked bytes. Pardon. Oh yeah, right, delete states.image views. And here we can do log created swap chain images and views. Cool. Nice. Okay, next. Probably synchronization, right? Pipeline, I don't care about the pipeline. I don't care about the render pass. Command pool, yeah, this is what I need. Okay, so we'll have graphics pool, vk.command pool, and we have a video pool. Right. Notes I make create pools. Pool info vk.commands pool create info pool info.type equals dot commands pool create info pool info dot flags reset command buffer dot QFamily index equals states dot graphics family, and here we'll do results equals vk dot create commands pool states dot device pool info nil and states dot graphics pool. If result is not success, log failed to create graphics pool. And here we'll just do the same, but QFamily index will be states.video family. Here we do the exact same, except here it's gonna be video pool. Failed to create a video pool. Alright, so, and otherwise we just do info f created graphics and video commands pool. Okay, we got the command pool, all good. Also Trinity.hype, thank you for the follow, I appreciate it. Okay, command pool is done. Also, for security, let's just make it no resize for now. Window hints dot resizable dot false. No resize. I don't want any resize for now. Good. Alright. So now create command buffers, we'll do that later. Record command buffer. Create sync objects, this is what you're gonna need mostly. Recreate swap chain. Clean up swap chain. Vertex okay, copy buffer, we don't care about that. Find memory type. Okay, maybe we'll try to just get a clear screen and we'll call it a day. I think that's a good thing to do. Okay, so for synchronization, image available, frames in flights, vk.semaphore, image rendered, frames in flights, vk.semaphore, frame fences, vk.fence, and then we'll do frame index u32. By the way, do we hear my keyboard at all? I can't even tell. Oh yeah, we do, quite a lot. Jesus. Wait, let me try actually. Oh wow, yeah, you can. Jesus. Well, at least it's ASMR, I guess. It's good. We take it. We take those. Create sync. Create sync. Okay, semaphore info vk dots. It's fine. Okay, good to know. I don't think I need anything else. Do I? Yeah, no. So for 0 frames and flights, we'll do results equals vk.create semaphore states.device semaphore info nil states.image available I if result is not dot success failed to create image available semaphore. And we'll do the same here for image rendered here creates defense signal by default. Okay, and here just does the same. vk.create fence states.device fence info nil states.frame fences I. I'll also have to create the synchronization objects for the video queue, but we'll do that I think for day 2. Failed to create frame fences. Here we'll do the same, but it will be for destroying. Like this, build, run, all good. We'll also do log.infof created semaphores and fences. Boom. I mean, I guess a render pass could be useful for managing just I mean, we're not gonna do any rendering outside of copying the results of the frame to the back buffer. And maybe I'm GUI. We can try it out, I guess. Let's see. It's okay. Maybe we will make a render pass actually. You know what? Maybe we will. Oh, I need to make frame buffers as well. I don't like render passes. I don't like them. Now I'll stick to dynamic rendering. It's better. Good morning, Mr. Gallant Crusader. Well, it's 5 PM here in France, but you know. Create command buffers. I mean, you do 1 per frame in flights. Allocate command buffers. Commands pool. Land commands buffers. Or you can batch them. That's cool. Create command buffers. Command buffer count, we'll do frames and flights. This may be French's, but when I was in middle school, age 13, 14, would buy like $15 baguette from mom and give pieces to all of the kids in the cafeteria. It's not French's, don't worry. Just know that the Walmart baguettes is fucking garbage. And will never be as good as real baguettes. But otherwise you're goods. Okay, results equals vk.allocates command buffers state.device state.alloc, you know, it's alloc information, and state.command buffers 0. If results is not success, also for flags we'll do dots. What is it again? There's no flags for that, I think. Because there's... Oh wait, no, that's for descriptor sets, I'm dumb. Is this Objective C? No, this is Odin. Log.error failed to create... failed to allocate frame commands buffers. Log.info created frame commands buffers. We'll do vk.free command buffers state.device state.graphics pool. I can just do this state.command buffers 0, so I can keep this here. Good as well. I wish I could do Objective-C though, but I don't have a Mac. Well, I don't need a Mac to do Objective-C, but like I need it to write Objective-C code that like actually matters. Objective-O, yeah, exactly. Okay, now we have this. Because now we have everything, right? So we should do something like a function called GPU render. And we'll have everything here, right? So we'll do wait on last. Yeah, it will, but like I'm seeing the stack. I mean, this is like a side project just for fun. It's not like an actual serious project at all. So wait on last presents. Drawing frames and flights. Like, what's the frame? We have all the creation. We don't care. Okay, draw frame. So wait. Acquire next image. Record and execute commands buffers. Submit commands buffers. Presents swap chain. And that's about it. That's all we need to do. So I'm just going to use what they're using. I trust them. And yeah, it would say both the logs if it fails to create, and if it, yeah. But I'll fix it later. It's just that I don't, I could just do os.exits, I guess. Import core OS. Oh wait, no, I'm dumb. I don't even need this. I can just do return false. Return false. Yeah, well, okay. There you go. And here we can do if log rf failed to initialize GPU and OS. I guess we can just do return. Anyway, so wait on last presents vk.reset fences state.device 1 states.frame fences state.frame index. Let's reset. We need to wait for them first. Wait for fences state.device 1 state.frame fences state.frame index vk.true, but we can just do true. And u64, I mean, we'll just, I don't know, do 10 seconds. I think it's this. Oh, is there not, does that not work in Odin? Oh, well, fine. Image index is a u32 vk.acquire next image states.device states.swapchain. Timeouts, we'll also put the same timeouts. We'll also add another 0 in case. Underscores work in numbers. Ooh. Wait, so, does it take nanoseconds or milliseconds? I don't, never know. What the okay. Nanoseconds, okay. Nanoseconds to seconds. No, seconds to nanoseconds. I want 10 seconds. Can I just do 1e plus 10? Yes, yes sir, yes sir, yes sir. Thank you, Odin, for being based. We love you, Odin. Cloudflare, shake my hand. Yeah. Okay. States.image available. States.frame index. Fence. States.frame fences. Oh, never mind. This is just nil then. An image index, image index. Cool. Then we do vk.reset commands buffer, state.command buffers, state.frame index. Command buffer reset flags. Is there any? What's the reset flags? Yes, right. What's the reset flags? Release resources. No, thank you. I would prefer not to. 0. Okay, then we get to record. For the recording, we have absolutely nothing yet. Then we have submits info equals vk.submits info. Submits info.stype equals .submit info. Wait semaphores. States.image available. States.frame index. So this should automatically deduct the type, hopefully. Dot semaphores equals 1 submits info dot p wait semaphores equals wait semaphores. Wait stages. Wait stages. It's vk pipeline stage. Maybe I should precise it this time. Pipeline stage flags. And we do something like, can I not do a dots now? No, cringe. Surely I can just do this, builds. Cringe. Like this. No. Missing typing compound literal, so it does need me to put the actual type. vk.semaphore. Fair enough, you know what? Fair enough. Wait stages equals wait stages. Okay. Submits info.commands buffer counts first 1. .p commands buffers is going to be states.commands buffers, states.frame index, obviously. And then signal semaphores, render finished. And we need to wait on render finished, I assume. Yeah, okay, that makes sense. Signal semaphores, vk dot semaphore, states.image rendered, states.frame index. One, signal all of these. Results. Oh, now we need to actually make results. vk.q submits state.graphicsQ. One submit info and fence. We don't. Oh yeah, states.fences states.frame index. If results is different to success, log.error failed to present and failed to submit commands buffer. Like this. Also, I should redo something like vk.device wait idle. Okay, so now, let's put some so wait for last presents, acquire image, reset and record, submits, and now we need to present. Presents info vk.presents info khr presents info.stype equals dots presents info. Oh, also now I can yoink. This build, right? Why are you not happy? Alright. I forgot. This was Odin. Where did you find these code examples? It's right here. I just searched up Hello World Odin. Vulkan, GLFW, and that's it. That easy. Build. Oh god. Okay, line 361. He doesn't like this. We're getting closer. $357. Huh? Oh yeah, right. Like this. Okay, so as I was saying, present info dot wait semaphore count equals 1, present info dot p wait semaphores equals signal semaphores 0. How is that even needed? State, no, it's vk.swapchain khr. States.swapchain. Info.swapchain count equals 1, present info.p swapchains equals swapchains 0. Present info.image indices equals image index. Info.p results equals nil. And we do vk.q presents, which take the results. States.graphicsQ presents info. If results is not vk dot success, we do failed to present swap chain. There you go. And then we can do states.cur or frame index equals states dot like the typical Ringo buffer approach. Like this. Okay, so this should be good, minus the fact that this should do a transition layout into present. Oh, thank you for the sub, I appreciate it. Figure out your OBS in terms of handling subscribers and other stuff. Actually, yeah, let's do it right now. Let's do it right now. Because thank you for the sub. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Streamlabs. Because I already have a chat window normally. Because here if I say stuff, it should show up. Yeah, it does. Let's set up a subscriber alerts. Alerts box. Start from scratch. Fuck the sounds, Jesus. Audio URL. Oh, I can also upload it. Do I have any sounds I can put? White noise. No. Menu sounds. Play that shit. But it's not playing, thank you, I appreciate it. Let's try again, let's try again. Earthbounds. The image, I don't care about that. I should wait, hold on. Let's find a cool GIF somewhere. Holy crackers. Battle wind sounds. Actually, that's a good idea. What the user Earthbound battle wind sounds. That's maybe a bit too long. Well, we'll do it for the funsies. But like, what, dude? Why didn't not use what I wanted? No, that's for follows. Hold on. Wait, where was it? use this. I still did not use this, but okay. Hold on. Also, we can't hear the audio. It's normal for now. I think so. What do you mean you can't hear the audio? Wait, you're telling me I had my desktop audio muted all along? I was playing music, dudes. I'm so dead. Fuck. Dude, I had this music all along. With like rain noises and shit. Dude, I'm so dumb. Fuck. Well, the VOD is ruined now. Great. I'm never posting this on YouTube. Anyway. Alright, we'll do YouTube to MP3. NoTube, my goats. Please don't open the porn ads, please. At least you won't be striked. Yeah, I guess so. But I need, like, Nintendo music is rarely striked on VODs. At least I've never had a problem myself. Cobalt Tools, I've never heard of that. Okay, Audacity. Skip. That's a long fucking time, Jesus. But I only want it for subscriptions, because follows I don't mind. Discards changes, no follows. New. Save. I want subscriptions. Right, okay. So now we have our thing. Yoink. On my computer. Where is this folder? Audacity. Oh yeah, it's here, okay. Save. Wait, that's the sound, right? Yeah. No, image. What I want is the sounds. Documents. Audacity. I literally just exported it, what the fuck? So did it just not export it at all? Well, thank you, Audacity, I love you. I love it when you do that. Or maybe it's save the project but not the actual recent files. Yeah, that's the project, dude, I'm so dead. Export audio. Yeah, WAV. We'll put it into Documents, Audacity. Boom. Exports. Thank you. Try again. Documents, Audacity. This. Select. Preview. Yeah. So for the GIF, I guess we can just use this, the Holy Crackers image. Alert duration, we're gonna chill, we're gonna put 5 seconds or 4 seconds, it's probably better. The fonts, I really don't like the fonts. Adamina, what's that, Adamina? Holy crackers. Bounce? What's that, bounce? That's so funny. Flippin' X. Is that kind of hilarious? Rotate in. Shake. Okay, chill. Shut up. Light speed in. Rubber bands. Jello. What am I doing with my life, dudes? Rotate in is kind of funny though, I'm not gonna lie. Can I do rotate outs? Rotate outs, dudes. Like this. And then subscription text, yeah. Yeah, okay, let's do that. Copy. I go on OBS, I go on browser, sub alerts. I do this, and now it should be good. So now if I can do something to, like, I think send a custom alarm, launch. Oops. So here I did the preview, cool, but like how do I try and send a default one to see? Text to speech settings. I can do text to speech. Spam security, medium. Okay, so let's try it.
This is a subscription test.
Great. I got you. What do you mean? Are you gonna gift it? Bro. Is it gonna work? No, it doesn't work. Help. You wasted your money. I'm so sorry. That's so weird that it doesn't work though. What? Oh, gift sub. It doesn't. Oh, because there's gift sub as well. But I think it should work as well, right? Like, you just do it all the time, right? Filter events. Bro, sorry, you just wasted your money. I'm so dead. Oh, there you go. Test subscriptions. Yay, you subscribed. Thank you.
This is a subscription test.
Yay. And there's also something for gift subs, I guess. I don't care about follows. Gift sub.
This is a subscription test.
Condition. Variation name. No, this is just this should just be normal. But thank you for the money though. I appreciate the supports. At least now we do have alerts. So it should work. Enabled. Because here, this is the preview, right? But is that even enabled? Because yeah, it is enabled, but I don't know why. Bro is giving me so much money at this point. Alert duration 4. What the fuck are those sounds, dudes?
This is a sub gift test.
What am I doing? This is supposed to be a programming stream, by the way. Whoops. I will put this as well. Yay.
This is a sub gift test.
We're gonna put back Adamina because it's better. Okay. Tests. I can't test for gift subs, but you know, I think it should work now. When subscription is a gift. Yay, there we go. This can, yeah, this, nope. There we go, manage variations. Okay, now we're good. Now we should be good, I hope so at least. Click random shit, yeah. Hey, at this point, I'm not gonna lie, I haven't really done much with Godot. But now we're good, now we're Gucci. Show Prime Gaming subs, yay. Okay, so now it should work properly, I hope. We'll see. Now, question is, why do I have 65 notifications, dudes? Can I, like, clear them all? There you go. Jesus. Alright. So, back to coding now. Because we did a whole lot of nothing now. Okay, so reset and record. So now, if I go into main, no app, and I should do GPU render, and it's probably gonna crash, but you know, it is what it is. Build, run, crash. Okay, here it's gonna just say something like, yeah, it's not the right layouts. Is unrecorded and contains no commands. Yeah, no commands, of course. That makes sense. So, now we do something like VK transition, like with image, like barrier. How do I do a barrier in this fucking thing? Because here it uses render passes, so I don't know. I think it's vk.transition. You know what? Let's make a default render pass just for the sake of it. Default render pass. vk.render pass. We'll figure it out another time. So, the render pass here. I don't know where he creates it. Create render pass. Yoink. Notes ame. Create render pass. Gosh, this is ugly. Let's make this cleaner. This is still swap chain info.formats. Also, this should also be banned in every federal states. There you go. But yeah, with all these subs, I might be actually to eat this month. Magic, I'm already doing pretty good, but I'm trying to save up some money to maybe go on a trip, which would be nice. Twitch money finally paying off. Programming on stream was indeed the hype thing to do. Right, builds. This is gonna, yeah, he's gonna die. Invalid field name. All right. I forgot to remove this. Okay. Now we do results equals vk.create render pass. Gonna be eating wagyu this month? Nah. Hear me out. So the place where I wanna go right now is I mostly wanna go to Finland. Like visit Helsinki. I also wanna visit Copenhagen, Amsterdam and Oslo. But I wanna do the Nordics. And maybe also Berlin or Frankfurt. Somewhere along these lines, but I want to visit places, you know. But it's mostly starting with Finland, though, or maybe Iceland. Actually, I don't know. I just wanna visit somewhere in the Nordics because I like the Nordics. Default render pass. If results is different or equals to success, log.error f failed. Creates render pass. You want to visit Switzerland? Dude, apparently Switzerland is like really meh. No, what's funny is that genuinely, if you look at the traditional, like what they do traditionally in Switzerland's national, it's not anthem. It's like they have a thing where like they have. Yeah, I think it's a cow festival or something. Yeah, dudes. Swiss people would do that and then like randomly generate 5 trillion GDP every year. Like I don't know how they do it. We will do that and like fucking throw cheese at the wall and be like, yeah, Switzerland, and generates 5 trillion GDP every year. Like what the fuck? I don't understand how they do it. I don't understand. Swiss people are not real. I refuse to believe they're real. And here we'll do our vk.destroy render pass. States.device, states.default render pass, and nil. Fraud and under the table shenanigans. Hey, I'm sure they do it properly, they just don't really like taxes, that's all. Okay, so record commands buffer. Okay, so begin info vk.commands buffer begin info as type is going to be this, flags is going to be this, and that's it. Results is vk.begin commands buffer states.commands buffers states.frame index begin info, and we'll this here. If result is not successful, log dots error failed to begin commands buffer. Okay. Okay, render pass info, render pass begin we'll call it, vk.render pass begin info. So as type will be this, render pass will be states.render pass, render, it's gonna be, oh fuck, I need to create frame buffers. Ah, I hate my life. Dude, I always forgot I need to do all this bullshits. Frame buffers. Who fucking cares about frame buffers? Seriously. Like, how does that even make sense? Sorry, I might be a little mad. Offset equals 0, 0. Extends equals... Honestly, it's just going to be the frame buffer size, so... this. Also make a clear value, vk.clear value going to be color equals float 32 equals 4 f32 like 0 0.4, 0 0.1, 0 0.8, 1.0. The vote forced you to do frame buffers. Well, listen, I could just do dynamic rendering, but I don't want to bother with that right now. I'm just doing a default render path for now, and we'll see after. Also, thank you, WC Dozer, for following. And we do... that should be it. Let's just build first. Invalid type instruct literal. Why? It's clear value, color, float 32. Is it because I should be doing this instead? Confused. Let's see. No. Clear value. Color. Clear color value. Raw union. Well, it's not really helping me, you know. No, because why is it this ugly, honestly? You know what, I'll just do it like it's wants me to do. I will fall under the terrorism of Vulkan. Okay, so now we get to do clear value count equals 1 and p clear values equals clear value, like this. And for the frame buffers, I guess we need to make frame buffers now. So we'll do frame buffers vk.frame buffer. Frame buffers. So fb info is vk.frame buffer and create info. Dot s type equals dot frame buffer create info. Wait, how do you even does create frame buffers? Attachments. You know what? I'm just going to do like he likes to do it. I'm not even gonna bother anymore. States.frame buffers. Well, I'm not gonna lie, his code is kinda ugly, but you know, whatever. len state.imageViews. This is state.imageViews. This is going to be this instead. Like this. Also, we will remove all semicolons like expected. No semicolons. Fuck you, semicolons. I do not like semicolons. This will just be results equals this, and if results is not vk.success, then there's an error. Here we can return false. Log.errorf views and frame buffers. vk.destroy frame buffer states.device state.frame buffers I nil. Okay, now we're goods. We know we're goods. So now when we record the command buffers, we can do frame buffer equals states.frame buffers states.frame index. Odin and dry syntax is so readable. I know, right? I really like the syntax. It just makes sense to me, you know? When you compare to other languages like Rust, Haskell, Zig. Excuse me. Then you big. Rust is very readable. Nah. Rust is not readable at all, bro. I'm sorry. Look, Rust web GPU. Let's look at like a basic program with model loading for Rust. Okay, check out the codes. Source. Okay. Okay, so what? Okay, no, actually, no, this makes sense. Never mind. Allow unused. Yeah, this is like lifetime annotations, but like I still don't know what the fuck does it mean. Like, you know, all these lifetime annotations, I don't understand. Like, what the hell is this? How does this even make sense? Like, you know, why is there unwrap and clone everywhere, you know? Otherwise, you know, I guess it makes sense, but again... like, I don't know. Maybe I'm just a hater. How was the Vulkan experience? It's been really good, I'm not gonna lie. It's been really fun. Rust CVE. What the fuck is this? And also for the Vulkan experience, I mean, I've written a bunch of Vulkan before, so it's just a tool at this point. It's okay. I just... like, my opinion on Vulkan is that I like the API, but there's just some stuff that really bothers me. I like how the API is structured language-wise, like how you can query all the kinds of extensions and stuff. And the fact, you know, it's a native C API. But what I don't like with Vulkan is the fact that it always gets the extensions last compared to DirectX 12. The extensions are not always cross-vendor, whilst with DirectX 12 it always is. And the fact the design inherits from the design of Tau GPUs on mobile, and so you end up using render passes and descriptor sets, even though those concepts don't actually exist on PC GPUs. You choose it to be vulnerable. So, but see, every time I have stuff like... wait, example, sec faults. making crash prod in a blazingly fast manner. Yeah, dynamic rendering is core, but what I mean is that before dynamic rendering, this was not possible, right? And so right now it's more bearable to do Vulkan on desktop, but again, a bunch of extensions or like things you would get by default on DirectX 12 on all GPUs is something that's not always a promise in Vulkan. For instance, like work graphs are already cross-vendor and in beta on DirectX 12 drivers, but in Vulkan, they just released an extension like a month ago and it's only on AMD. Mesh shaders was like core in DirectX 12 Ultimates, cross-vendor a while ago, and Vulkan like released a cross-vendor API or extension for mesh shaders like a year after that. So you know, a bit slow. That's my only beef with it though. Honestly, I really like Vulkan. I like every API honestly. My favorite will always be Metal, even though I can never write in it, but otherwise it's good. Begin render pass, states.commands buffers, states.frame index, render pass begin, and contents.inline. Yeah, Vulkan targets pretty much everything. I get that, but again, I don't target Android or Linux. If you wanna, like, Nintendo Switch also has Vulkan support, but if you're gonna port a Nintendo Switch, you might as well use their native API, which is called NVN if I remember correctly. And for Mac, you might as well use Metal. And if I did want to port on Linux, I guess I could use Vulkan, but again, the Linux community might as well just use Proton and DXVK, which apparently is faster than native DirectX 12 on Windows, which is kind of funny. So this should be all I need. $279. But yeah, where I create the command buffers and shits. States. $264, then $271. Render pass. I really need to make them. That's so fucking cringe. I'm fine. Create frame buffers. So you can't have like frame buffer independent. Dudes, this is actually insane. Dot default render path. This is why dynamic rendering is needed, because this is absolutely cringe. Log.info f created frame buffers. Build. Okay, now we have something. Okay, so Q submits, you must call vk end command buffer, right? I forgot to put end command buffer. vk.end command buffer, state.command buffers, state.frame index. What language is readable? Zig maybe? Zig is so far from being readable. Zig is ugly as hell in my opinion. I think C, Odin, Jai is very readable. I think C++, if you write it like you write C, is also really readable. What else? Go is really readable. I really like the syntax of Go. Yeah, pretty much. would also learn it, but like I wouldn't have a use case at all. Okay, so let's try again. Yay! Woo! Jai is publicly released? No, it's not. Leaked 24 bytes. Oh right, I forgot to do delete states.frame buffers. Build, run. Production ready, guys. We can finally ship. The video decoder is ready. We're playing the video, by the way. Fire, dude. Absolute cinema. It's not publicly released, but like getting in is honestly pretty easy. At least so I've heard. When I tried to get in, I got ignored twice because he probably got scared of the fact I was 17 at the time, or 16. Yeah, I was 16 at the time actually. But then I actually like got into contact with Randy, the guy who's making Arcane, and he got me access to the Jai beta. And yeah, I've been having the beta access ever since. Speaking of, I'm making a game right now, right? In C++, and I might rewrite it in Jai. I might. Because why not, you know, for fun. Might as well. Alright, well, we'll go to clear screen. One thing I wanted to see before. First of all, let's commit stats, right? Git adds, git commit. Adds added clear screen. Git push. Is the music over? Oh shit, it is. Okay. One thing I wanted to do is read the Wicked Engine video queue article. Vulkan video decoding, there you go. Let's choose some better music though. What's good music for reading this? This, I think.
Dit is het opstation met opgekonken en offensief.
Yeah, this makes sense.
Viva Hollandia!
Alright. So. Super fast cross-platform video applications for freeing up the CPU from expensive decoding tasks. This is very cool, I can't lie. And it even has cube maps, okay. What a flexer. Modern cityscape, virtual cinema, TV screens, monitors, is working again. The search for the videos, graphics, and post making flip texture classes, which is one of doing things. Video codecs compression. FFmpeg, it's huge, so yeah. Fully on GPU? And async queues have a really low overheads. Oh, the video format you want to decode. Uh-oh. Probably inaccurate. It's fine, we trust you. We trust you, Mr. What's his name again? I forgot his name again. Mr. Janos Turansky. How do you pronounce it? I think it's Czech to English. English.
János Turánszky.
Oh no, it's Hungarian.
János Turánszky.
Janusz Turański. Okay. Thank you for the awesome article. Alright, input MP4. Uh-huh. Tmux, yeah. Mini MP4. Rolling one yourself. Gods. Rolling one myself? I don't know, man. That seems pretty long. I'm not gonna lie. Mini MP4 Odin. Oh no. Odin doesn't have mini MP4. For sample or my example in Wicked Engine, look for the create video function. Okay, sure. File reads, create video. Time to port mini MP4 to Odin. Dude, I might need to. Read callback. Is there like bindings generators for Odin, just like Jai has, or am I cooked? I might be cooked. Title, album, artist, year, comment, genre. Okay, ABC is what we need. SPS, dude, what the fuck is this? Oh my god. Maybe I should have actually like used... Maybe I should have used something like... Maybe I should have used C. Well. Inverse audio from video file, which will do with... I mean, I can just do this with FFmpeg, right? Just like Rust has. Dude, I can just use FFmpeg for this. Like, I won't demux with FFmpeg, but I will like get all the info with that, I guess. Am I making sense? I don't know. Null units for the corresponding elements. And a minimal H264 parser header file. Dude, this guy is insane. What the fuck is this? Oh yeah, no, this totally makes sense, right? Yeah, this is totally, yeah, right, okay. Bitstream, yeah, okay, yeah, seems cool. Seems cool, okay, cool. Yeah, no, this totally isn't unreadable. Minimal. Man, yeah. Hey, surely I can just use, FFmpeg. It's not encoding, it's decoding. Very different. You know what, let's just focus with reading and let's not worry about the implementation details well. Let's close our code editor for now. Let's close it. We'll worry about that the next day. Okay. Reading the null unit header to determine the type of data you will read next. Okay. Removed allocations. A bit stream from a data pointer that calling. Right, yeah, this makes sense. POD structures for you to use. Description for the whole video, while the slice has a description for a single slice, basically a video frame. To complicate things, there can be multiple SPS and PPS, and slice header can index them, telling which one to use. Multiple slice headers for one video frame. Video is interlaced. Handle more complicated situations later. Cool, so we can just make it default. Like the noun, not the verb to encode. Yeah. Guess so. Okay, input the Vulkan. Compressed H264 bit stream in a GPU buffer. It is up to you if you put all the frames to one buffer or upload frames on demand. Put each slice data to correctly aligned offsets. You can find out the offset alignment code from VK video capabilities KHR min bitstream buffer offset alignments. Also use an aligned size that you find from VK video capability. Yeah. Okay. Will need to be marked with VK buffer usage video decode source bits KHR. VK video profile list info KHR instruction P next chain. Okay. Must be filled with video profile information buffer will be used with. You have to provide the 001 null start code bytes followed by null unit header, followed by slice header and slice data, because you don't need PPS and SPS. Each unit is separated correctly, yeah. Host maps buffers, ooh. I mean, yeah, I guess this makes sense. A lot of description structures. Jesus. Okay. Okay. The begin and video coding. Before first use of a video session. Gosh, what is going on? Buffer of history frames. Yeah, dude, I need to honestly see what's the longest structure name in Vulkan. It's probably something insane. Texture array. Need to be a U420. Okay, cool. So we do have a texture format for this. DPB. Okay. And we'll just use, you know, the usual stuff. Image view, array slice, offsets, width, height, and some H262K. Frame number. I will describe it below. The frame display ordering because the frame that an ordering memory is in the order of decoding, not displaying. Oh. Some frame pacing started in some videos that I couldn't figure out yet. Dude, I'm gonna kill myself. What is this? What? Yeah, no, this totally makes sense. This is totally not... Right, okay. Right. Yeah, 100%. Then you sort it. Okay. Mm-hmm. Right. Resolving to RGB. Let's read about that. Skip this step and sample from YUV textures directly. Dudes. So you're telling me that there's no... Is there a stamp? There has to be a stamper for that, right? I guess you need to do the conversion. Oh my god, what the fuck is this? Okay. Mipmat chain. dudes, this is not real. Okay, mip map chain for video frames, so you generate them every frame? That's crazy. I mean, I guess downsampling isn't that expensive, but you know. Why UV extra formats? It's a multi-planar format, meaning it has the luminance parts stored separately in memory from the chrominance parts. Shader resource, okay. Two separate image views. In HLSL. Yeah, I should probably use HLSL as well. Performance. Timestamp query not available in video queue. Goddamn. Okay, doesn't seem too slow. Can do it async. There is the XVA for... Right, okay. This is insane though. Update video, floats DT command list commands. Initial first frame decoded. I can tell this is gonna be like something I'm gonna use a lot. But yes. Sure. But surely I can just use FFmpeg to get this info, right? For the SPS and PPS and whatever. Here it does the barriers, video decodes. Okay. Resolve the video to RGB. Yeah, this is... We know this is just a compute shader, right? Okay. Alright, I get it. I should probably make an FFmpeg backends so I can get two profiles in both. Video resources. Okay. Alright. Well, we streamed for about 3.5 hours. I think this is already good enough. Oh wait. Vulkan video shenanigans. FFmpeg plus radv. Audio decode. Oh, this is exactly what I needed. What the fuck is granite? What is granite? Bro. Granite GitHub. No, the Meister. Oh, okay, it's just a Vulkan renderer. Okay. Mesa, okay, FFmpeg. Integration, thank you. Uh-huh. NVIDIA H264 broken. Goods. Well, that's good to know. Vulkan plus FFmpeg. Vulkan video decoding. This seems crazy as fuck, dudes. But we'll see, honestly, we'll see. We'll see the other stream. But yeah. Good stream. Good stream. Very productive. I'll be back with game dev and this project some other time later this week. Hopefully I don't have too many classes, but we'll see. Alright, well, thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.